The word leave, to go away from a place. Leave the house, leave the room, leave early. She had to leave the house by 7 a.m. to catch the train. Please don't leave the room during the presentation. Anita need to leave early today for a doctor's appointment, to depart or go on a trip, and leave for work, leave on vacation, leave the country. And he always leaves for work at 8 o'clock sharp. They left on vacation last Friday. And she had to leave the country due to work relocation, to allow something or someone to remain. When leave a message, leave the door open, leave someone alone. Please leave a message after the beep, and can leave the door open if it gets too warm. I just want to be alone. Please leave me alone, to cause or result in a condition. Leave behind, leave in ruins, leave unfinished. Don't leave your keys behind at the cafe. The storm left the town in ruins. He left the work unfinished when he resigned. To give or bequeath something. Leave a gift, leave an inheritance, leave money. She left a gift for each of her grandchildren, and he left an inheritance to his children in his will. They left money for charity in their estate plan, to take a break from work or duty, one sick leave, maternity leave, annual leave, and she's on sick leave until next Monday, and he will take maternity leave after the baby is born. And I have 2 weeks of annual leave saved up.